Zero distance is the Infosys approach to building a grassroots innovation culture across the organization. To do this, our people follow a very simple methodology in everything they do. First, recognize improvement opportunities. Second, identify what and how improvements. And thirdly, deliver the value. Here's how zero-distance innovation delivered value for our client, a UK division of an American banking company. The company is part of the Fortune 500 with $25 billion in revenue in 2015. They have been with Infosys BPO since 2007. One of our teams manages the client's write-off portfolio, the debts of customers who could be insolvents, deceased, or defaulters. The process involves closing accounts based on the criteria defined by the client. We process over 5,000 accounts per month. Using the zero-distance approach, our team recognized a huge improvement opportunity. Incorrect write-offs were resulting in huge revenue loss to the client. Implementing the next phase of zero distance, the team studied the existing process to identify the what improvements that could be made to the process. Frequently, debt collection agencies would settle debts with the customers and send a settlement check to the bank, marking the customer's account for closure. As per the client's legacy process, the accounts would be closed after a certain number of days, assuming the checks had cleared. However, in certain cases, such as delayed check clearance, this would lead to a loss because the account no longer existed. The first what improvement was a redesign of the existing process. The team also recognized that in several cases, especially for deceased and insolvent customers, extensive manual intervention with complex write-off calculations was required, leading to human errors. Some cases also required judgment-based decisions to determine if an account was liable to be written off. The second what improvement was to eliminate manual calculations and improve the team's judgment. Lastly, the team recognized that they were not efficiently capturing collective knowledge out of its shared experience. This led to an increase in time for onboarding new recruits and also in searching for solutions to reoccurring problems. After identifying the what improvements, the team organized various design thinking workshops with the client. An outcome of these workshops were several how improvements that were desirable, feasible, and viable. The first how improvement was to add a new step for payment clearance investigation before an account was closed. The second how improvement was to implement a job rotation strategy to involve senior agents in decision-making and judgment-based processes. The third how improvement was to create Excel-based tools to eliminate human calculation errors. In the fourth how improvement, we created simulation support capturing the latest updates for new recruits and existing agents. All of these zero-distance improvements delivered substantial benefits to our clients. The percentage of incorrect account closures were reduced from 12% down to 2.25%. We delivered close to $14 million in savings for the client. We were also able to completely eliminate customer complaints. Our philosophy of zero distance helps our teams to leverage everyday innovation purposefully so that we deliver superlative business value beyond our committed SLAs.